This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Very, very nice. Becca, I am on cloud 9. I do have only today left until my vacation. Well, I mean, Becca, you don't have to play if you don't want, so I mean, you can still 5x top slots, cautions. Becca, you have no idea. You have no idea. Shell, thank you. I mean, it is a spring. It is very lovely spring. I am gonna have my vacation, and you know what else? We're gonna have a 5x top slots cash hunt. Bugs, big beautiful board, big beautiful multipliers, but wait, they're gonna get bigger, 5x. Oh, you gotta love it, you gotta love it. Bugs, 500x is on the board, whoop, there we go, everything gets covered up and everything gets mixed up, and you are gonna take aim wherever you would like. Choose any target you want. Choose the cupcake, choose the cactus, choose the target, choose the gift, choose whatever you want. Best of luck, folks. And let's see what everything was.
This is the amount of money issued, 44,516 euros.
Multipliers, I don't know where the 500x was, but very cash money for 1,529 winners. Congratulations, place your bets. MK, top winner, 50x, very nice.
Open right now, you can place them if you wish to join us, and welcome to all the newcomers. I hope you are having a great day. Let's hope you will have a great session here, so let's go for another round. And the bets are closed. Now we have a crazy sign with 5x top slot. Well, you are kind of mocking me. Me being two other players. Ooh! I don't know. Anyways, really do not care about anything here. Let's go spin the wheel, the bigger one this time. Well, hello everyone to the biggest wheel in the world. And it's time to choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. If you cannot decide, let the bot choose for you. And there is a chance to triple everything here. 1,000 is the biggest. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued, 146,305 euros.
75 on blue, 125 on yellow, and 250 on a green one. And that is over 1,000 winners. Congratulations to you all. That's our open right now. Please place them if you wish to join us, and let's go for another one. And I guess I did hit something here. What a coincidence. Unfair. Why is it unfair though, Daniel? I think it is fair. Like, you know, you did not decide, I did not decide, but Cassie did. Like, you know, it was not any of ours decision, yours or mine, but it was another other person's decision. So I think it's fair. Oh. Oh my, is she hitting? Cha, where are you? Is Erica hitting something? Oh my, how unlucky she is. Oh my, welcome everyone to the cash hands. Because you get, no, but you get along as well, Daniel, you know. It's not because of that. It's not because of that, Daniel. You do get along as well. Oh my, 500 is the biggest. Good luck. The unluckiest host, by the way, here. Slay, I guess. Slay. What a moment. Okay, anyways, make your decisions here. Choose whatever spot you want to shoot at. And if you cannot decide, you can let the bot choose for you now.
This is the amount of money issued, 57,324 euros.
Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you catch that. 70 people catch that. 500, that is over 1,000 winners. Congratulations to you all. Bets are open right now. You got 200. Oh my babe. Enjoy it, Cassie. Enjoy it. What did you get, Danielle? The bets are closed. Yeah. So today was 700 DAX and a cash hunt. And no password closed. Good luck. Castle Pachinko with 3x. Ladies and gentlemen, Pachinko with 3x multiplier from top slot. Woo! We are starting with 2x. Yeah. 7, 10, 15, 3,500 with 3x multiplier from top slot. Woo! 300x is the highest one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's hope for the highest one, right? A.
This is the amount of money issued, 137,690 euros.
We did it! Woo! Nice! 300x!
List again. So place your bets and let's continue. Oh, thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. I'm doing wonderful. How are you, my friend? Nice. Bets are closed again. Indeed, nice. Ooh, the top slot says 20x on the coin flip. Back-to-back coin flip, maybe? No. Oh, come on, man. And we get number one. 701 winner. Bilal, Ahmed, Spider-Man, Andy, and Queen on top of the list. Congratulations to all of you. Now let's go for another wonderful round. Yes, Rudy. Yes, you were on the top. Now bets are closed. You're the real G. The real top G. 7x on a cash one. Can we get it? You didn't see anything. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Can we do this? Come on, just clutch it. Boom! How wonderful is this? Oh, baby! 7x on the cash hunt. That's what I like to see now. Whew. Okay, now are we ready to get big numbers? And look at all those hundreds. But wait, there's more. 7x on all of those. Boom. See the numbers? That's huge. 7x. 700x. Brother, that's huge. Oh, let's mix those figures up. Thank you once again, Rag, for asking. I'm doing wonderful. How are you? Hunt the rabbits. Take down. Taking fire. Need assistance. All right. Take aim and go for it. Which one are you picking? Which one is your favorite? Does somebody like cactuses or maybe sheriff badges? Or do you pick just random, don't care about the rabbits? Oh, Cyndaquil picks the rabbit on top, so I picked this rabbit. This is my rabbit.
This is the amount of money issued, 71,620 euros.
Hey, look at that. Congratulations to 159 winners with a 700x and 100,692 winners. Congratulations on being top of the list. Woo! Nice. Now place your bets. You stole my rabbit? Well, I'm sorry. I got a 700x bets are now closed. Give my rabbit back. You have to fight me for it.
2 hours. Then one girl came to me. We went for a little walk. Had a coffee. Yeah. That was quite productive, I would say. That was quite productive. As I have mentioned, 20,000 steps. Well, around 17 to 20. During some crazy time. But yeah, most likely I will get those 20K within this night because, well, I am walking here and there during the shift, which makes sense, right? Can we hit a crazy time with a 3x, please? Stay. Oh! Crazy time with a 3x in the pocket, everybody. Hey, from a coin flip to a crazy time with a top slot. Come on. Somebody said it ain't gonna happen. Well, guess who's back? Crazy time with a 3x. All right. Giggity, go. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Let's reveal all the numbers, all the segments, and now let's apply the 3x on top of all of that. Yeah. And now make your decision. Is it going to be green, blue, or yellow? 3 options to choose from. If you don't make a decision, auto pick will happen for you. So everybody who placed the bet are in the game.
Exactly. That's so good. I love it.
Anyways, final moments, everybody. Maximum 300x. Enjoy. Good luck. We got a 45 for the yellow, 75x for the green team, and blue team double trouble. Another chance, a new maximum, 600x. That is good. That's good. Exactly.
This is the amount of money issued, 159,126 euros.
600x for the blue team. Woo! Boom! Yeah! Did you see that? Did you see that? All of a sudden. Enjoy the winnings. Congratulations, everybody. Wow. Bets are close. Ow. Wow, that was something. That was something. Bets are close.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.